This Make-Ahead Potato Au Gratin is topped with grated gruyere cheese to finish off an amazing side dish. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, pour some whole milk and add the potatoes. Let it simmer on medium heat and cook for 5 minutes. Then, drain the milk from the pan and add the unsalted butter, ground nutmeg, salt, ground white pepper, crème fraîche, and heavy cream. Stir to combine. Now transfer into a baking dish and top with grated gruyere cheese. Bake for 15 minutes until the cheese is caramelized. Garnish with chopped parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.